In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contact on Brevo. First, start by logging into your Brevo account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation panel, find the option labeled CRM. Go ahead and click on CRM and you'll be taken straight into the contacts section. This is where you'll manage and organize all the people you want to reach through your campaigns. Now that you're in contacts, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Import Contacts. Click that and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, make sure the option for importing contacts is selected, then click Continue. The page will reload and you'll see different ways to bring in your contacts, from a file, by copy-pasting, or from another tool. For this walkthrough, we'll use the From a File option, since that's one of the most common. Click the option to import from a file, and the page will reload again with a field where you can select your file. Click inside that field, and your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to where your contacts file is stored, select it, and press Enter or click Open. Brevo will begin uploading your file. Wait for the upload to finish, and then you'll see a preview of the data inside that file. Take a quick look to make sure everything appears as expected. Then click Confirm your file to move on. Next, you'll map your data. This step tells Brevo which columns in your file should match which contact attributes, like email, first name, or phone number. For each column, select the contact attribute that best corresponds to that data. You can choose from existing attributes, create new ones if you need something custom, or choose not to import certain fields at all. When you're satisfied that everything is correctly matched, click Confirm Mapping. After that, you'll choose which list to add these contacts to. Pick an existing list that makes sense for this import, or use the relevant list already prepared in your account. Once you've selected the list, click Confirm your list. Finally, you'll see the last step to finalize your import. Here, review your contact management options, such as how Brevo should handle duplicates or existing contacts. Check the box to confirm that you adhere to Brevo's conditions and any compliance requirements, then click Confirm your import. Your contacts will start importing, and once that process is complete, they'll be ready for you to use in your campaigns.